Okay, and then you can randomize the thumbnails because most videos have a number of thumbnails, so you can just have it randomize them for you. Whether you want to use relatives dates like yesterday instead of the actual date. And the maximum description. Okay, this is just the number of characters in the description. Okay, let's save that. Okay, embedded player. We're going to switch this to the JW FLV media player. That's just because we don't want to use the default player that YouTube provides. Okay, and then you have your max height and max width. You can change this if your theme if it doesn't fit right in your theme. Whether you want autoplay videos, allow full screen playback, you can disable that if you don't want to allow that. Okay, high definition when available. Whether you want a loop, and then you have your colors here. It's your main color and your highlight color. You can mess around with these. I'd suggest leaving it the default and then change them if you don't like it. Whether you want to show related videos. So let's turn that off. That's up to you whether you want to show that or not. Okay, let's save that. Okay, and then we have meta display here. This just shows you what information is going to be shown in the video. So we have the length, the number of views, and the title by default. But you can select any of these that you like and deselect any that you don't like. So it's up to you how you want that to work. Okay, in provider feed, make sure only retrieve embeddable videos. You're going to need that on. And you also have here the filter racy content. So it's set at moderate. You can change that to a higher setting if you need to. Okay, leave this API key alone unless you have one of your own. And then the number to retrieve at a time here. Just leave that at its default. So that's all we need in there. We have some advanced settings here. Okay, this is all to do with caching, which speeds things up. I suggest you just leave that alone unless you have a reason you want to change it. You can change the date format. You don't want to enable debugging. Take that off. Okay, and you can disable different types of retrieval here. Don't do that unless you know what you're doing. Okay, and this is the short code keyword. You don't need to change this. This is just what you put in your post to retrieve videos